Hey there, aspiring entrepreneurs! Welcome back to our channel, where we share valuable insights and strategies for building a successful online business. Today, we're addressing a common misconception in the world of affiliate marketing. Becoming an affiliate marketer doesn't guarantee overnight riches. Instead, it's all about putting in the work and staying disciplined. So, let's dive into the importance of discipline in your affiliate marketing journey. Let's get started. Before we dive deep into the world of affiliate marketing, it's crucial to debunk a common myth. Many people believe that once they become an affiliate marketer, they will immediately achieve millionaire status. However, the reality is quite different. To find success in affiliate marketing, you must understand that it requires discipline, perseverance, and consistent effort. Just like any other business, it takes time to build a sustainable income stream. Now, let's explore how discipline can be your key to achieving success in this competitive industry. In affiliate marketing, discipline goes hand in hand with consistency and continuous learning. These are the essential ingredients that separate successful affiliates from those who struggle. Consistency means consistently creating valuable content, consistently engaging with your audience, and consistently optimizing your marketing strategies. It's the dedication to showing up day after day, even when results seem slow. Moreover, affiliate marketing is an ever-evolving field. To stay ahead, you must be committed to continuous learning. This involves keeping up with industry trends, attending webinars, reading books, and networking with fellow marketers. The more knowledge and skills you acquire, the more you can fine-tune your strategies and increase your chances of success. Now that we understand the importance of discipline and consistency in affiliate marketing, let's discuss some practical tips for cultivating discipline on your journey. 1. Set clear goals. Define your short-term and long-term goals, and break them down into actionable steps. 2. Plan your schedule. Create a structured work schedule, allotting specific time for content creation, promotion, and learning. 3. Focus on quality content. Prioritize creating high-quality, valuable content that resonates with your target audience. 4. Monitor and optimize. Continuously analyze your marketing efforts, track your conversions, and optimize your strategies based on data. 5. Stay motivated. Find sources of inspiration, connect with fellow affiliates, and celebrate your milestones along the way. And that's a wrap on today's discussion about the importance of discipline in affiliate marketing. Remember, becoming an affiliate marketer doesn't guarantee instant wealth. It's the consistent effort, unwavering discipline, and continuous learning that will propel you toward success. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with fellow aspiring affiliates, and subscribe to our channel for more valuable insights and strategies. Together, let's navigate the world of affiliate marketing with discipline and determination. Until next time.